So you have just bought a health insurance policy and you are thinking, great, I'm covered now. But hold on, there's something you need to know that might surprise you. It's called the waiting period. You're probably wondering, why should I wait? I've already paid for the coverage. Well, understanding this waiting period is crucial because it affects when you can actually start making claims. But here's the thing, while it might seem a little hassle, the waiting period actually benefits both you and the insurance company. So let's dive into why this waiting period exists and how it can be advantageous for everyone involved. So guys, I welcome everyone to Star Health's YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about something which is very confusing for anyone who wants to buy health insurance: waiting periods. Don't worry, I'm here to solve all your doubts about waiting period in this video. So let's get started with the basics. What exactly is waiting period? In health insurance, a waiting period is the amount of time you need to wait before you can claim certain benefits from your policy. This period varies depending on the type of coverage and the specifics of your policy. Waiting periods are designed to manage risk and ensure that insurance is not used to cover conditions that existed before the policy was purchased or to prevent immediate claims for issues that arise shortly after buying the policy. Now, let's see why waiting periods are important. Imagine you are at a theme park and the ride operators are making sure everyone follows the rules before getting on the roller coaster. Waiting periods are a bit like that. They are there for good reasons. Let me break it down for you with some examples. Number one, it prevents frauds. Without waiting periods, someone could buy insurance just before a major surgery and immediately make a claim. Waiting periods make sure that everyone contributes fairly and that costs are spread out, keeping the premiums affordable. Number two, manages risks. Insurance companies need to balance their finances and make certain that they can cover all the policyholders. Waiting periods give them time to manage their resources effectively and make sure that they are prepared for both expected and unexpected claims. Number three, encourages long-term planning. When you buy insurance, the waiting period allows you to familiarize yourself with what's covered and plans ahead for any future health needs. It validates that you are not caught off guard and can make informed decisions about your coverage. Now that we have got to know about the importance of waiting period, let's dive into the different types of waiting periods. First up is initial waiting period. This is the period you need to wait from the date your policy starts before you can claim non-emergency expenses. Typically, this lasts for 30 days. The initial waiting period prevents people from buying health insurance and immediately filing claims for treatment that were needed before the policy started. For example, if you buy a health insurance policy on January 1st, you won't be able to claim for routine or non-emergency treatments until January 31st. So, if you catch a flu, which might get severe and you need to be hospitalized on January 15th, you will need to cover the cost yourself. However, if you suffer accidents during this period, such as a broken leg, your insurance will still cover the emergency treatment. Next, we have the pre-existing diseases or PEDs. If you have pre-existing conditions when you purchase the policy, there is usually a waiting period before you can claim for treatments related to that condition. This period can range from 2 to 4 years. Let's say you have diabetes before purchasing your health insurance. If your policy has a 3-year waiting period for pre-existing diseases, it means that you need treatment for diabetes within those 3 years. You will have to pay out of your pocket. After the waiting period ends, your insurance will start covering it. Then we have disease-specific waiting period. There are several diseases like hernia, tumor, ENT disorder, cancer, stroke, cardiac ailments that come with a specific waiting period. The waiting period for these plans usually ranges anywhere between 2 years and 4 years. The ailment that qualify for this waiting period vary from insurer to insurer and can be found in the policy details provided by each insurer. So there you have it, guys. Waiting period might seem like a delay, but they actually play a key role in keeping insurance fair, manageable, and well planned. Next time you hear about waiting period, remember it's all part of making sure that your health insurance works smoothly for everyone involved. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Star Health for more such insights.